2012 is not about gloom and doom and all these catastrophes. It's about a transformation to an awakening. Mother Earth is reminding us right now that she's going to bring us back to the basics. The basics meaning that we're going to live what we believe. It's gotten to a point where religion is not working anymore. Jesus was a great sage. He went inward. He realized his potential and tried to show everybody their potential. Heaven is here. Heaven is here. And this consumerism has a lot to do with that when we identify with the things that we can obtain and get, that some future happiness will happen. When you just enjoy the now, that's when the journey really begins. The spirits has always been guiding us, that we haven't been able to see them. We haven't been able to see them because we are in seeking mode. Right now, we're out of balance with Mother Earth. We take and take and take and take what we want. But that is taking too much. We should take only what we need. Mother Earth reacts. So civilizations go up, civilizations go down. It's a natural flow. Great Spirit, thank you for this moment of clarity. Nature is our true nature. This hot spring is part of me. All these minerals in this water are part of my body. Thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you, Great Spirit. Thank you. Thank you. There's no end of suffering. People die, you lose your job, you lose your house. Suffering is part of the human experience. When you totally become vulnerable and you have nothing to hide, you set yourself free. I am free. I am free.